Hi, Boomiverse. Welcome to this quick tutorial on the new Boomi Resolve AI agent. In the January 2025 platform release, we introduced a new and improved Boomi Resolve, a Boomi AI agent that leverages retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, to help you quickly and thoroughly troubleshoot process errors by generating solutions in relevant article links. This new agent is accessible within process reporting within the Boomi integration service. So let's navigate there now. My home page, I'll select my integration service. And for Manage, I will select Process Reporting. Now from here, in order to navigate to Boomi Resolve, we'll select an execution that errored out. In this case, this one here. We'll select that timestamp. And then when this view populates, we'll select the error message here at the top. Now that we're in the document error details view, we will see this generate solution with Boomi Resolve button. We'll click on that, and that will then generate us a solution with Boomi Resolve based on the stack trace and error details provided. All right, here we have our Boomi Resolve solution. And if we scroll down, we will also then see links to our documentation and articles for additional resources. That's it for now. Thank you for joining.